Today's video, how to get oil and grease stains out of your clothes. If you're like me and suck at eating food, you're constantly staining the clothes that you spend your hard-earned money buying, and it's so frustrating. But today, I'm gonna show you how to get them out with a few simple household products. Here's the things that you need. Ready, set, go. All right, first things first, grab the shirt or pants, article of clothing that you so irresponsibly spilled grease or oil on, some laundry detergent, optional but helpful, a piece of small cardboard to put underneath, baking soda, dish soap, and then a scrubbing tool. I prefer a toothbrush. All right, once you have all that, put the piece of cardboard underneath the shirt, like so, and start by dabbing the dish soap in the stained areas. Scrub the dish soap in with your scrubbing tool. Spend some time on it and make sure you really get in there. After that, sprinkle some baking soda right on top of those areas, and then continue to scrub it in. It will almost create a sort of pasty texture. Spend some time on that, make sure you're thorough. And then after that, you're gonna take the laundry detergent and lightly coat it over top, the whole area. At this point, you can take out the cardboard and work everything into the fabric. Now it's time to throw it in the washing machine. Obviously just a light load, cold water, and white's normal, and then give it a start. Once it's finished, take it out and check your work. At this point, if there are still stains, you can reapply and follow the same steps the first time around. And if you don't see any stains, I recommend simply letting it air dry and you're good to go. All right, just like that. Well, you know, takes a little bit of work, but relatively easy. And you know what? It was free. You didn't have to go buy some new clothing. Your grease and oil stains are out. They're no longer. If this was helpful, do me a big favor, just subscribe. I continue to create how-to videos on the things that I need to figure out how to do. Little life hacks, you know? I take them as they come, and I give back to the world, or at least, you know, I try to. Today, grease stains, tomorrow, world peace, you know, one step at a time. Until then, that's all I have. Adios.